at this messy hair. Pinky lips. How are you guys? Hi. Hi Preetama, how are you?
Hi.
I can see you here and I can see you there. Hi ma'am. Hi sweetheart. कैसे हैं आप सब? नया साल
Yay!
आने को है. Please can I meet you? Yes Flora, you can meet me. कहाँ मिलोगी बताओ जाने मन.
Hello, ma'am. Love you so much.
To you too. To you too. Look at this, y'all. Very bad hair day.
You look stunning the way you
Hello, gorgeous. I love you too, Janeman. You guys have been just so sweet and nice and
You are so beautiful, mom.
you know my hair is a amazing mess. You know? No? You are single, Dr. Sam. Good for you, Dr. Sam. I'm so happy for you, Dr. Sam. Oh, your daughter is cute, I know. She is. She is very, very sweet, Jan Mary. Oh, Janeman. How are you guys? Are you excited about this wonderful year ending and this amazing 222 year coming? Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah? Aww. Love you too. Exactly my sentiment. I'm sorry. Come on with the new techniques. I have to keep up with it. Aww, love you. Love you ढेर सारा मेरी जान.
My name once, please.
So,
Saman.
Saman, hi, I took your name. You take my name now. Chalo, your turn. Janeman, I am very, very excited about an incredible 2022. And we're going to be going through. Yes, I know, I'm reading. Yeah. Ma'am, my turn.
Kiran.
Huh?
Say
Say
Kiran.
Kiran. I said
Yeah.
Kiran.
Someone wanted you to say their name.
Okay, so again, next.
Arya.
Arya. Oh, I adore you too,
call
Janeman.
you Arya.
Ramsha Fatima. Aww.
Please take my name.
Akum? Is it Akum?
Pronunciation is so...
Hi, mera bacha. You say it so sweetly yourselves, guys. What do you give me credit for all the time? You guys doing well? Huh? Hi, Prajakta. That incidentally, Prajakta is my daughter's doctor's name. Very special lady, also. I love you. So, anyway, guys, listen. I hope you're ready for an amazing year that's coming up, okay? Because there's so much to look forward to. Hannah? Preetama is sitting there very quietly. Isn't there amazing stuff to look forward to?
Yes. Hi.
That's Preetama saying hi.
Yes.
She's hiding from the camera, so no can show you, but yeah. From Assam. Hi, Abidul, how are you? Oh, Happy New Year to you too, Mary Jan.
Happy New Year.
Oh,
You're so lovely.
Itti, I swear. No? I am very, very loved. I would love to meet you too, sweetheart Meenakshi. Someday. It's a small world and we all our paths end up meeting. Kabhi na kabhi to hoga. Hai na? What you desire happens.
Happy New Year.
And to you, Mary
Love
Jan.
from Australia.
Hello, Australia. Hasna, I think. Yeah. Why you cut tea with me, Ruchika? Why cut tea? What I did? Abba kar le yaar. I don't even know why the cut tea. So anyway.
Ma'am, how to be happy in life?
Hi Manisha, how to be happy in life is $1 million question. But it starts with one moment and goes to the next moment and that's the best you can do. Go from one moment to another. Not look at too much at one time. One little tiny step with a happy intent, and you're there. Hannah?
Hi,
Hi.
Arya.
Hello, Janiman. How are you? You guys have just been my biggest high this year. I know you know this, but it's worth repeating. And look at those hearts. They're exploding on my screen. Yes, 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 Jan Meri. Hi, you're from Delhi. Hi, Dheeraj. ठंड है ना वहाँ पे बहुत, क्योंकि हमारी मुंबई में बहुत ठंड है अब. This is unbelievable. Like I'm wearing something that is actually quite warm.
The
Yeah.
nights are colder.
Aww. Thank you, Janiman. Thank you for wishing Arya the very best, and I am so thrilled. You see, it has done well. It has done really, really well, Arya season 2, thanks to you guys. So actually, you need to be congratulated, because all we did is make it and bring it to you, and then the way you received it is what makes it amazing. So
There's-
thank you.
There's someone who sends love from Indonesia.
Hi,
And,
Indonesia. And Krishna from Varanasi. And please, please, please visit Shillong. Okay, Janim. Hey, Shillong, I haven't been in a very long time. I'd love to. But thank you, sweetheart. I'm so glad you like my hairstyle, because I think it's a mess right now, but it's not as bad on a good day. So, but I've just decided, I'm going to show up the way I am. Wearing another color other than black, because I'm deciding to wear some more color this year, because I always am in black. Having said which, I love
Always.
black.
She's always in black. If you try to open, her bag and you take something, everything is black, so you don't know what to take.
And like she's trying to give me a compliment, I have a feeling, but it's not like sounding like it. But she's trying to give me a compliment.
Someone's daughter's name is Sushmita.
Your daughter's name is Sushnita. What a lovely name. You're waiting for my hug. Salam. Lots of love to you too. When am I coming on Kapil's show? Soon, God willing. Kapil and I both have been trying to work that out. A lot of you have asked us on my timeline कि कपिल शर्मा के शो पे कब आ रही हैं आप, जिंदगी ज़्यादा जीने. जल्द मेरी जान, जल्द. It's all happening. Wait for 2022. A lot of good things are happening.
Your
I hope
face
you
is
can
very
feel it.
bright. Your face is very sweet.
Aww. My heart is even brighter. दिल देख देखो, दिल
She's
देख
the
देखो,
greatest.
दिल देख देखो जी. Hi Sumit, I took your name, Janiman. Vadhu Vanshi. Oh, Alisa without an H. Please spelling बता दो.
ALISAH.
Oh, ये
But
भी
I
बता.
mean, the love you give us all is enough. So spelling is okay.
Oof, deep. Ouch. Ma, she's deep. Alisa is very deep.
Always.
Oh, spelling is okay. नाम में क्या रखा है? Then, hey Sushmita, wish you a very happy new year to you and your family. To you too, Janiman. I wish you, Strutu, you and your family the very best always, Janiman. Arya, my favorite. My favorite to come to Dehradun mountains. Kab bula rahe? Invite.
I am Soumya.
Hi.
Please say Soumya.
Hi Soumya. I love Alisa. She gets on the live and she does focus. Like, ek tak focus. Off. Kaun kya keh raha hai? Take my name now. A very happy new year to you too, Janiman.
I missed a lot of people's comment as well. But then I'm sorry. So,
When am I coming to Delhi? फिलहाल कोई प्लान नहीं है जा, बट अपना ही शहर है. जल्दी आएंगे, बहुत जल्द आएंगे. Speak Spanish.
Hola.
Un poquito. Hola, very good. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien.
Muy
¿Y
bien.
tú? इसके आगे नहीं ट्राई करेंगे, ठीक है? Okay. Okay, then. You want to get on a video call with me? Aj, please accept my happy New Year wishes. You too, Janeman. I see. The thing is, I could not have ended this year without coming to you guys and just like saying I love you for being you. One of the things that people that know me, who've just started to get to know me, all of them say is I have the best followers in the world. I have people on my timeline who are so large-hearted, spirited, inspirational, that they take out time and effort in their lives to come and be a part of my journey, to be brave enough to share their stories with me. I just want you to know that I do read direct messages, and I have been reading all of your stories, and many of you have been brave enough to share with me things about your life that makes me realize I actually am I'm privileged to be in touch with people like you, and you being a part of my life. Your secrets are safe with me forever and ever and ever, but they do make a difference to my life. And please know that whether it is pain or happiness, I will never put up an act with you. So if I look happy to you, just believe me, I am happy. Okay? Don't feel bad when I am not feeling bad. Know that if I do feel bad and sad and upset and all, I might actually come and show you that also. Because that's a part of me. That's a part of being human. And right now, I am feeling like that. So, all your sad messages gotta stop, girls and boys, and men and women, because we're in a good place. And we have to love and appreciate the fact that we are blessed to be in a good place, despite all odds, in all aspects of our lives. And with that mindset, because I'm a true believer, कि आप जिस बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हो, वो सोच आपके दिमाग में घर बना लेती है, और एक बार घर बना लेती है तो आपकी रियलिटी बन जाती है. तो अगर ये सच है तो अच्छी सोच रखिए, कमाल की चीज़ें सोचिए, क्योंकि वो हकीकत में कल नहीं तो परसों नहीं तो आज मुकम्मल होगी. It's something that will come to life, and so breathe the correct thought and the correct energy into your life, because you just don't know which thought of yours is going to manifest like that. So guys, 2022, begin it knowing my favorite belief in the world. I am God's favorite child. Well, you can argue about it. You could say you're God's favorite child. I will always believe I'm top of that line. Yeah? As are you. You must believe that. You must always believe you're God's favorite child. Or whatever God or energy that you believe in, a higher power, you're the favorite. And as long as you know that, guess what? Only amazing things will happen to you. Because you're beckoning it. You're commanding it. Hannah? So guys, here's wishing you an amazing year full of positive manifestations. All your dreams that are good for you. ये एक छोटा सा caveat है. It should be good for you. Everything that's good for you should happen. Okay? May you have eyes that see beauty in this world. May you have grace that allows you to belong to this world. To not live in isolation. To feel connected with the world. And may you use social media to connect with people rather than divide them. You just have to use this platform to be good to each other, okay? Just like you're good to me. And some of you are a little naughty, okay? And those naughty ones, unfortunately, have to be restricted, because this is my home and this is my family. You are my family. And I will always keep my home clean, and I will take out the trash. So, be nice, speak your mind, but be graceful. And remain friends with me, please, because I really love having you on my timeline. और मुझे हर बार डांट पड़ती है कि आप लाइव करते हो, हिंदी में बात नहीं करते. मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, मुझे पता है. सिर्फ इसलिए जान मेरी, क्योंकि मैं दुनिया में बहुत लोगों से बात करती हूँ जब मैं लाइव आती हूँ. तो इज्जत से एक ऐसी भाषा बोलनी चाहिए जो सबको समझ में आए दुनिया भर में. हिंदी आती है मुझे, मैं दिल से हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, बट आई स्पीक अ यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज फॉर एवरीबडी. और जब जी करे तो एक रिक्वेस्ट डाल देना, आज हिंदी में लाइव करेंगे, तो फिर हम दुनिया को कह देंगे भैया ट्रांसलेशन लेके बैठो ताकि आपको समझ में आए. लेकिन a big shout out to my loved ones in the Philippines. I've been reading all your messages. God, I definitely knew Tagalog in my some lifetime because I feel like I am some life I was a Filipino because you guys love me like my country does, belonging this strongly. Thank you for that. Really.
All of your fans like love
Oh,
you.
mahal kita. Yes.
All of Bob's fans.
Yeah.
Someone noticed. Okay, never mind. So all of your fans really love you so much. Like me and Mom were discussing today in the morning while she was showing me some edit that you guys made. And I was just like, you know, you're so loved. People actually take out the time to do something like this for you.
She did say
You know?
that, yeah. She saw a reel or a story that was made that I posted. This is my fun thing to do, okay, you guys? Whenever you post me like a story or a reel, something that you've created, and you're very creative, guys. I don't know, it's not the app that you're using, it's the thought behind it, and yeah, and the choice of songs, and it's insane how creative you are. See, that's productive, very, very productive. Highly recommended, and you should continue doing that, and I will continue reposting it because I love it. I love creative people, you know. Now, my plan is in 2022 to blow dry my hair really nicely and come back and do another live with you. Okay, just wanted to drop in, say I love you. When is Arya 3 coming? Okay, we just got done with Arya 2. Please enjoy it, you know, because you watch your 8 and 9 episodes and then you're just like, up next. Banani bhi to padti hai. So soon, God willing, this year, for sure, I hope. This year I am already in 2022. I'm so sorry. Like, yeah, 2022. God willing. But you see the magical combination of numbers? It's a 222.
I think another 5 hours and 15 minutes and then we'll be in the new year.
Good maths. Very good. Is it 5 hours? Yeah, 5 hours and 16 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a very, very powerful year coming up, guys.
Yes.
Keep the faith, be good, and I love you, and ijazat, and khuda hafiz, and Spanish में कैसे बोलते हैं? No, it's French.
That's French.
Okay, au revoir, and I love you. And you want to say anything?
I want to say that you guys are extremely loved and you guys give Mom so much love, so I hope this new year you get the same amount of love back because you really reciprocate what she gives you. So.
Oh,
Good luck for the new year. This is going to be a great year.
promise. Keep me posted. Ashi, namaskar. Bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New
You
Year.
said that only. Happy New Year.
Happy New
Year. Bye, guys.